I hope everyone is quite well. Today I'm going to show you how can you send job offer. I mean you can apply for job with the help of LinkedIn. For this, you need to visit LinkedIn website. So this is my LinkedIn account. So and now what you need to find out is that you need to find out for which for which what kind of job. I mean, what kind of job you want to apply for. So if you want to apply for data analyst, so okay. So you will find numerous job related to data analyst in website. So I select my location USA. So numerous companies of United States is appearing in the list. So suppose I want to apply for this company, Synergetic Skills. So and this job has published 6 days ago. So we are seeking a motivational junior analyst with strong business intelligence skill for our teach client. So yeah, so building dashboard, analyzing trends. So what you just need to do, you just need to drop your CV here. How about this? This is a remote job. So I'm going to this is the Accruent. So this is also a US based company. So what you need to do is that you just need to drop your CV here, and then they will respond to you through your email. Then data analyst hired United States. Fine. So let's apply. What about this? We are hiring for one of our clients seeking a military bench data analyst to work on a part-time basis, analyzing structure and star data sets generated from email training interface evaluation pipelines, identify areas for improvement, divide even complex data analysis, including data ingestion processing. So what about this? Crossing hurdles, energy conservation research, learner, data and assistant, John Hopkins Hospitality, the research assistant. So human data analyst, crossing hurdles, analytical mechanics, mechanic associate, employee, the Texas Dallas. Okay. So let's what about this? Let's apply. Qualification needed for applying this job. Okay, lead executive train SQL table or SQL table AU. Okay, key performance indicator, database requirement, proven experience that analyst within 3 to 5 years. Okay, so competitive pay per hour. So you can apply with this. So you need to create an account for applying for a job. So thank you all and keep watching my videos. And if you want to and don't forget to hit subscribe and like button if you find my videos helpful. Thank you all. Best of luck.